Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these newborn photo props from M&G House are so awesome for the perfect newborn photo shoot. They come nicely packaged in a vacuum sealed container, so at first they might not be as fluffy, but you just stick them in the dryer for a few minutes. I have a setting for air fluff, and that worked perfectly to fluff them up really nicely. My favorite are the small little pillows to position the baby. It makes it so easy to move them around. You can move them around even with the baby on it. I usually put their head on one pillow and their bottom on the other pillow, and the pictures come out so cute. As you can see here, I use the pillow on the head for this one, and it just positions them perfectly. You also have a donut pillow that you can use. I have my dog modeling for us here. He's a little big for it, but it works perfectly for newborns. So if you're in the market for some little pillow props for your newborn sessions, definitely check out M&G House. They have beautiful props, and these are amazing quality. I love the velvet texture, and they make posing so much easier, but that's just my point of view.